So we will see how to install Visual Studio Code from the internet. So I'll Google it and let me download the Visual Studio Code. So you can see I'll download Visual Studio Code for Windows. Okay, so my VS Code is getting downloaded. Once it is downloaded, let me open it and will need to do the installation. So here you can see it got installed, and now let me finish the installation setup. Once that is done, I'll be able to open the VS Code. So here you can see it's getting completed. So it will take a few minutes for the installation. Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Now let me open it. So you can see here it's a main page of the Visual Studio Code in which you can go into terminal. Once the terminal is open, now you can see which version of the Python is running on your system. So you need to type the Python and you will get the version your Python is running on your system. So here you can see 3.9.11 is my Python version. It's running on my system.